Most AI setups look good on day 1 and collapse by day 30. Stay here for the next 8 minutes. What you learn changes how you work forever. Before I show you the system, I need to show you the problem first. Because what is the single failure point that kills every RE automation after 30 days? That is exactly what this video answers. But first, understand why you are stuck. Creators and entrepreneurs are overwhelmed by the gap between knowing AI exists and actually using it to build autonomous systems. You are not lazy. You are not unmotivated. You are running a manual operation in an automated world. Every day you spend editing, scripting, filming, your competitors are scaling. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Then I will show you the exit. The problem is not time management. The problem is architecture. You built a job, not a system. A job requires your presence. A system does not. You have tried automation before. Maybe N8N. Maybe Zapier. Maybe a VA. They all failed because you automated tasks, not outcomes. The difference is everything. And this brings us to why do operators who scale always have fewer tools than creators who grind? The answer will reshape how you see every tool you currently use. The next section is where operators separate from creators. Stay with me. The operators winning right now are not using more tools. They are using fewer tools, connected to each other. They call this an autonomous stack. Input goes in. Output comes out. You are not in the middle. Lesson 1: Agents are not the same as automations. An automation follows a script. An agent makes decisions. One requires your rules for every scenario. The other handles scenarios you never anticipated. Lesson 2: One input should produce 50 outputs. One long-form video becomes scripts, clips, captions, thumbnails, posts. Not through editing. Through architecture. If you are doing any of this manually, you have a job, not a system. Lesson 3: Your role is oversight, not execution. The operator checks the system. The system does the work. You are the architect, not the builder. This shift alone is worth more than any single tool. Here is your puzzle for today. Map every task you did in content creation today. Now ask, which of these required a human decision, and which just required a rule? Most creators are shocked by the answer. Because 90% is just rules. Now I close the loops. And the payoff is worth it. What is the single failure point that kills every AI automation after 30 days? Operators build agents. Creators build workflows. Why do operators who scale always have fewer tools than creators who grind? Because they automate tasks, not outcomes. When you automate outcomes, failure is handled inside the system. Here is your one action for today. Pick the single most time-consuming task in your content process. Map exactly what decision gets made in that task. Then ask, can a rule replace that decision? If yes, you just found your first agent to build. There is a second layer to this system I have not shown you yet. The one that closes the income side of the stack. That drops tomorrow. Your profile will show it when it lands.